Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the iRacing error code 73. The error reads, "Fatal error detected. Error has caused you to be disconnected from the server. Easy anti-cheat has catalog not found." As per our research, this error occurs when players try to load into any session in iRacing. It is likely caused by issues with Easy Anti-Cheat, EAC, game installation conflicts, or Steam update errors. The first thing you should try is uninstalling Easy Anti-Cheat, EAC, and reinstalling the EOS version. If you have installed iRacing via Steam, try verifying the integrity of the game files, and check for the error again. If this doesn't work, also check that you don't have iRacing installed in multiple locations on your PC. If multiple installations exist, remove the duplicates. If the error still comes and you are on the Steam, do the following. Simply open File Explorer and go to Steam's directory. Then right-click the downloading folder. Then select Properties, then uncheck the Read-Only box and apply the changes. Then restart Steam and then check if you have a pending update. If none of the previous solutions work, try deleting specific game files. Simply go to your iRacing folder, then delete the Legends Car folder, cars.dat file and version.txt file. Then restart iRacing and check if the issue is resolved. If the error still comes, try uninstalling iRacing and clearing the UI cache before reinstalling. Simply open Task Manager, then find iRacing.com Helper Service and right-click on it and select End Task. Then open Windows Settings, then select Apps, then select Installed Apps, and then find iRacing.com Race Simulation. Then click the three dots and select Uninstall. Then go to C Program Files x86 and delete the iRacing folder. Then empty the recycle bin, then open File Explorer and go to C Users App Data Roaming. If you don't see the folder, then enable Hidden Items under View, then select Show, then delete the iRacing Electron folder. Then open your browser and log in to members.iracing.com. Then click on the Install iRacing button and follow the instructions. Then check if the error still comes. If you still experience the error, take a screenshot of the error and send it to Game Support for further assistance. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.